Hey there, Jim here. For this video, I'll show you how you can identify e-commerce stores by looking if they're using certain e-commerce platforms such as Shopify or WooCommerce. We'll be using BuiltWith's integration on Clay, which can quickly discover the tech stack of any website or company. For this example, the client is an AI automation agency which wants to introduce AI customer support agents into their e-commerce websites. I prepared a company table beforehand with the following criteria. So we are focusing on smaller companies with 2 to 10 to 11 to 50 employees. All are privately held. And for the industries, I just included those industries which are relevant to online retail or online e-commerce. So that will be retail categories. And for the country, we'll just focus on Australia. All right, so let's dive in. In this particular view, I only filtered the primary industry only to retail so that we can have a smaller sample size for this demonstration. So let's just head to add enrichment. Let's just type built with, and we will be using this integration. So just click that. And in here, you can either use Clay's manage built with account, which costs 2 Clay credits, or if you have your own built with account, you can connect it via API and use that instead. So we'll be using our own built with API key here. And for the company domain, just reference the company domain that's available on the table. And for the keyword or category filter, this is where you will put in the technology or specific technology or categories that you're looking into. So since we are looking for e-commerce platforms, so we'll be using keywords such as Shopify, WooCommerce, we have Magento, BigCommerce. We also got OpenCart. And you can also put in other popular e-commerce platforms. So for that, so once you've put in the specific keywords or categories, we'll just keep this on as well as this. So hit continue to add fields, and we'll just pull up this column, technologies found, and let's just try first with 10 rows. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so the 10 rows have finished running. Let's check quickly whether the results are okay. So for the first website, it says no. For the second website, it determined that it uses WooCommerce, add to cart. And let's try the other website. So this is the first website. And yeah, they seem to not use any e-commerce platform as they don't have an add to cart option or payment option, just like that. And this one, they have the add to cart option. So yeah, they might be using an e-commerce platform here. Okay, as well as for this one. So let's go back to the table. So we've now checked some of the results returned to us, and we're pretty much confident that they do indeed use the e-commerce platforms that we put in. So let's just try to run all of the rows right now, and let's wait for the enrichment to be finished. Okay, so the enrichment process is finished, and let's try to filter those that have results and those that don't have. So let's just click on this column, click filter, and let's just hit this is not empty. So out of the 160 companies that we enriched, we got 143 that matches our criteria. So yeah, that's quite a lot. So if you want to further segment this list or separate them by the e-commerce platform that they use, let's say you only want to first deal with those that are using Shopify or WooCommerce. So we'll also be going to this. So click filter in this column, and we can say that we only want those that are using Shopify. So type that. So we got 94. You can label this view as Shopify, and then let's just duplicate this view. And then this view will be for those that are using WooCommerce. So let's just rename this and go back to that filter and change it into WooCommerce. So we got 39. companies, 39 rows. But please note that it may overlap because some website or companies use several of these e-commerce platforms. But that just gives you an idea on how you can further segment that. And yeah, it's very easy to use. We managed to enrich this particular list in less than 1 minute. So that's how you can simply identify e-commerce stores by using the built with integration and finding out whether they're using particular e-commerce platforms. So hope this helps, and yeah, happy prospecting. Bye. Thank you.